Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can show or hide columns in your lists on Microsoft Lists. For example, to use it as a filter, for instance, if you don't want to use the given column. So let us get started. So navigate to your account on Microsoft Lists, select the given list from here. I will go with this one. And then guys, what you want to do is click into add a new column here. But instead of creating a new one, navigate to this menu, show or hide columns, and go through that view columns menu here and choose which of these columns you'd like to keep and hide. For example, as you can see, I have created 5 of these custom columns. I don't want to use that one anymore, the other one, and that one either. And then click into apply at the bottom. And as you can see, these columns have been hidden. So to unhide them, click into add column again and navigate to this menu and enable them here, for example. Right, that's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.